back, nail crew. It is Cyber Monday. So if you did not spend all your money on Black Friday, well, Modelones is still having a really cool sale. So I want to show you guys what I got from Modelones. Now, this little free gift thing is really easy to enter. You just go to their Facebook. Let me show you guys. You search for Modelones, you type in the word Christmas, and then it'll tell you what to do from there. I've actually entered. I think you could only enter once, but I might try to enter again because a free gift is a free gift. All right, so they sent me 2 boxes and they are very similar. So I'm going to keep one and I'm going to give one away when I get to 20,000. This is the 3rd or 4th item that I've said I was going to give away when I get to 20,000. So pretty much my 20,000 giveaway is going to be kind of lit. Yeah. All right. So the only difference is with this kit, I think, is just the colors in the polishes. So this one looks like a bunch of glitters and pinks and purples. And let's see what this one is. I don't know. Okay, so, all right, so this one looks like grays and nudes and things like that. Let me just open one real quick because this one looks kind of brownish. Oh, it's gray. Okay, so from the package on the outside, it looks kind of brown, which I thought it was a nice brown nude, but it's gray. I still like that gray. And then over here, let's see. Ooh, that's a pretty silver. Okay. All right, let's see this one. I don't know which kit I'm going to keep. I'm going to keep one and then give you guys one. I don't know which one I'm going to keep yet, but that glitter is gorgeous. I don't know, guys. I don't know which one I want to keep. This is a pretty color too. All right, let me decide which one I want to keep. Let me think about it, and then I'll be right back.
1 hour later.
All right, so after like an hour of deliberating, I decided I am going to keep this one over here because it's more of the nudes and I have a bunch of pinks and purples and glitters. So I'm going to give you guys this one, right, with all the glitters. Yes, I am partying with glitter. Yes, okay, yes, okay. I know it's hard to believe, but I actually have a lot of those glitter colors. So I was like, okay, it's fine, Nikki. It's fine. You can give away a glitter if the world will not stop, okay? So I'm going to package this up for whomever is the winner. This is going to be a brand new kit, but obviously you can tell that it was opened and touched and things like that. But if you don't mind that, well then, hey, it could be yours, honey. So let me go ahead and pack it up and then I'll show you what's in the little bag. All right, guys, almost got it packaged up. I'm trying to keep the box as new as I can for whoever wins. And don't forget, go to Facebook and enter. Good luck to all of you guys and good luck to myself. All right, so this is the box that the polishers came in. Super, super cute, right? And down here at the bottom, we have a 24-watt lamp, honey. Yes. We'll definitely play with that. I'll use that to cure all the polishes so you can see how well it works.
I was waiting for it.
Hi, Mom. Hi, Muffin. Sit down and give me a love. I'm making a video. Hi, Mom. Would you like to be in my video? Hey, Nail Crew. Get out. Get out of my room.
I barely even slept last night.
Why not?
Oh, no. That's all I heard. Hi, Mom.
All right, now both of y'all get out of here.
Ooh, what's that? I see free. Try new products free.
You want to be their VIP member? No, you don't. Get out.
Don't.
You don't. You don't care nothing about nails.
For nails only?
I think so.
Oh, nah. I thought it was something else.
I'm done with you. Oh my gosh, no matter what I'm doing in here, they always come to interrupt me. So that was Muffin and Andrea. They both came in here just to cause trouble, but I kicked them out. So here we go. It's just me and you now, Nail Crew. It's just me and you and Modelones. So here are some operating instructions. I don't think you guys really need operating instructions. I got you. My whole channel is an operating instruction. So if you've been watching my videos, you got it. You got it. But hey, if you're new here, well, for you, there are operating instructions, and they're colorful, so easy to follow. Okay, so let's look at this lamp. It is so little and cute, y'all. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. So this little blue thing, you could actually take off the film. Let me see. I don't want to take it off. But I just want to show you guys. You could peel it. It's like hard to come off, but anyway, just know you can peel it to come off, and then it'll reflect the light better when you cure your nails. However, I hardly use the bottom pieces. It's there so you can just stick your hand right in, but I always just do it like this. I hardly ever have the bottom piece on. So you would plug it in the back like that, and we'll definitely play with it. I'll demonstrate it for you guys so you can see how well it works. There's the on off button right there in the middle. We'll play with it. You know, I got you. I got you. Here are some instructions on the lamp. I'm not going to read those to you, and it's in different languages, so very good. All right, let me just put that there. It's a magnet, so it just clips on and just comes off. All right, let me clean up so I can show you guys what's in the bag. All right, so here is the bag, the little pouch. I think it's so cute. The fact that it comes in a little baggie. I love little baggies. I love bags and I love containers. I'm just that person. I love anything that allows you to organize. And this bag is so strong. It's not like a cheapy bag, guys. It's like a legit, nice, strong plastic bag. All right, so we have some top coat, some matte top coat. Sorry for the light reflecting and you can hardly see it. And then we have a base coat. So top coat, matte top coat, and a base coat. All right, so let's see what's in this little pouch. This looks like a lot of cool stuff. It looks like a kit for beginners, but I'll know more once everything is out of the pouch. But it definitely looks like a kit that if you don't have anything or you're just starting, this would be a good kit to get. So you have some wipes. These are gel removers. Okay, so you just peel back the pouch, stick your finger in it, and it removes your gel polish. You're also going to get some cuticle nippers. So it slipped right out my hand. You're going to get some cuticle nippers. Nice and sharp. I like to use these to remove bling. You guys know I have a hard time removing bling regardless, but that's what this is good for, in addition to removing dead tissue on the nail plate. You're going to get a nail clipper. Super cute. There's a normal cute little nail clipper. Hold on, because I noticed that my hands are a little dry and ashy, and I want to just put some lotion on there. This lotion also, by the way, is from Modelones, and I've been using it all the time lately. Remember, guys, if you remember that video, I had 3 of them. They come 3 in a pack, and I keep one on my nail table for my clients, but I also keep one in the car in case my hands get dry. I mean, that's the life of working in the medical field. You're always washing your hands or using hand sanitizer. This stuff is really good at keeping your hand moisturized. So, okay, so let's continue. You're also going to get some toe separator. So this is what they look like. You know what these are for. You just separate your toes when you're polishing them. So super cute, right? With a heart shape. I like those. And then we're going to get, what is this? This is cuticle treatment. This is cute. This is cute. Okay, let me see. I've never seen this. I'm trying to find out how we use this. Do you wash it off? Hold on, guys. Okay, it just says, okay, massage it into the cuticles. So I guess it's like cuticle cream. Let's call it a cream because it's definitely not an oil, right? So it's not cuticle oil. It's a cuticle treatment per se, kind of, sort of, right? All right, so I'm just going to put it on my cuticles and see what it feels like. It gives like a feel of primer, like, you know, the primer that you put on your face before you put makeup on. That's what it feels like just light, very light. And then this is your cuticle oil. I'm giving it a whiff. It smells regular, like nothing weird, like it doesn't have an overpowering fruity smell or anything like that. So you get a cuticle treatment and cuticle oil. Okay. And then you're going to get a file. This is 100 and 180. This is a washable file. It is the nice, thick, spongy ones. But then you're also going to get a regular one. And this is what that one looks like. So you get 2 files. Then you're going to want to get a cuticle scraper and cuticle pusher. So if you win this kit, guys, you're going to get all of this. Oh, and then you get another pack. Okay. So you get 3 packs of the removers, which is nice. And then you get this nice soft brush. This is a lot of good stuff in this kit. I'm probably going to give away this pink brush just because I have a lot of nice, cute, soft brushes. So I'll probably throw that into a kit for somebody else. But this is everything that comes into this kit, and I think it's a very good kit. Let's not forget this nice bag. Let's not forget this nice strong bag. But I think this is a very good kit for beginners, and the reason why I say for beginners is because beginners don't have a lot of this stuff. Like you're really starting from scratch, so this is giving you a head start. And I'm just showing you guys that this light is censored. So you put your hand in, it comes on, you take your hand out, it turns off. So as long as your hand or whatever object you're trying to cure reaches or hits the sensor, it will turn on and or off. All right, so let's go ahead and swatch. Let's swatch all these colors. The first one I'm gonna start with is this nice soft pink. And I will show you the back here. It is color 1144. In case you want to go on their website and just purchase one of the colors separately, you are welcome to. And this kit, guys, this box, I think you could get this box into a stocking. You can definitely put this box into a stocking and call it a stocking stuffer. You definitely can. Or this is what I would do with this kit. If you were to purchase this kit, guys, but let's say you love everything about this kit, but you already have a lamp. The fact that this box comes with boxes inside of the box, you could individually wrap different compartments and components of this kit and give it as a gift, which I think is super cool. And in fact, I might do that. I might do that because it came with a lamp in a nice separate box. You guys know I have a lot of lamps. I might give this lamp away. It also came with the polishes separated into a box. Now I'm keeping all these polishes. You see how cute this is? Do you see these colors? I'm not even gonna lie, guys. I'm keeping my colors. However, if you purchase this kit and you wanted to keep everything in this kit, but you wanted to give away the colors because you have similar colors, well, it's already individually wrapped and you could gift it to someone as a stocking stuffer. I'm just saying. I'm not doing it because I'm keeping it. But if you felt jolly and wanted to do that, well, hey, share the wealth. I will give away the lamp though. I will give the lamp away just simply because I have several lamps. So you guys, I'm gonna have such a nice 20K giveaway. I don't know exactly all the details of my giveaway yet, but I do hope that it is somewhere around or before New Year's, so I could combine like a New Year's 20K giveaway. Like I can make it into like a thing, you know, because it'll be 2 things at once. It'll be like a New Year's, but it'll also be like a 20K. So I don't know. I just think that'd be kind of special if I could hit 20K by New Year's and just have a New Year's 20K giveaway kind of deal. Because I am really stacking up and racking up on all the things that I want to give away. And I might not just do it on YouTube because I want to grow my Instagram as well. So I might have certain things I will give away on YouTube and certain things I will give away on Instagram. But I gotta say, these companies are really blessing me, guys. And it's crazy. Like they send me stuff to demo for you, but then they'll send me another one to give away. I just truly like appreciate it. And that is 100% like a blessing for me, but not only for me, but for you guys. You know what I'm saying? They're sending me things to give away. Like that's insane. That is so generous. Modelones is good for that. YAYOGE is good for that. There are a couple, Burano, they're good for that. They'll send me things and say, I'm sending you extra for the nail crew. Sparkling Co, they're good for that as well. There's a lot of really cool, generous people out there, and I hope that you support them during this Black Friday, Cyber Monday extravaganza that's going on. Seriously, guys, you got to support the people that supports you. You definitely have to do that. So here are the colors, and they are curing in the light. The light works great so far, no problems with it. It's a 24-watt lamp. It looks nice and sleek, and it's small enough to fit onto a small desktop table. Now, here are all the colors on my ring. I did swatch them twice. So once with you guys and then once off of camera just to save time. And this is what they look like up close. I love the nude and muted colors because I have so many of the bright colors, you know, and I just want to grow my nude kind of muted color, kind of fall vibe collection. So this is what all my nudes look like. This is my nude polished ring, and those just fit nicely onto my ring. One thing I do want to point out, guys, that my code for Modelones is not going to work during Black Friday and Cyber Monday, but come Tuesday, my code will be working again. So go ahead and get all the deals you can. The link to the Black Friday Cyber Monday sale will be in my description box below, but come Tuesday, use their regular link and use my code and save yourself some money. That is it for this video, guys. I have another video coming tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. And help me reach 20K so I can start giving some of this stuff away. Help me, help me, help me. All right, guys, that is it. I love you guys so much. Thank you for rocking with me to the end. Thank you for all your love and support. I love you guys so much. Bye.